Hello and welcome to Lake Camanche and this 360 video tour. This tour is like Google Street View. Grab the screen to look left, right, up, or down. At any moment in time, hit pause to take a closer look. Now let's go explore. This is our vacation resort rental. It's perfect for groups of 10 to 12 people. The large deluxe resort units will feel like you're home away from home with all the creature comforts. We offer 2 4-bedroom units with 2 baths, simply furnished, including kitchens and cooking utensils. These deluxe resort units each feature a washer and dryer, ADA bathroom, flat screen TV, dishwasher, a deck, and outside dining area. The large deluxe units are located on the eastern section of the North Shore Park across from the tennis courts. It's a short drive to the marina, store, or cafe. For those that don't want to rough it, these are the perfect spot to get away. Great for larger families or a big group of friends. The units have 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. There's 1 king-size bed, 4 twin-size beds, 2 full-size beds, 1 queen sofa bed, an ADA accessible shower, a tub, washer and dryer, dishwasher, central heat and AC, microwave, coffee maker, flat screen TV with DVD, and a full kitchen. To learn more, go to LakeCamancheResort.com or call 866-763-5121. We look forward to seeing you here at Lake Camanche Resort.